Multiply 202 by 16 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 6 times 0 plus the carried 1 is 1. 6 times 2 is 12. The first partial product is 1212. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. The second partial product is 2020. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the tens column, 1 plus 2 is 3. In the hundreds column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the thousands column, 1 plus 2 is 3. The whole negative number product is 3232. So 202 times 16 is 3232.